So guys, in today's machine learning video, I'm telling you about the training a perceptron. So yeah, I'm telling you about that. So now, please like this video, share your friend and subscribe to my channel and do not forget to all the notification bell also. So let's move to computer screen and let's do a coding with loving. So guys, in today's machine learning video, I'm telling you about the training a perceptron. So let's start and let me tell you. But first of all, what I can do here, I will be write like 151. Okay, so let's know about that. Creating a perceptron object, creating a training function. Train the perceptron against the correct answer. Training tasks. Imagine a straight line in a space with a straight xy points. Train a perceptron to classify the points over and under the line. Create a perceptron object. Create the perceptron object, name it anything like perceptron. Let the perceptron accept two parameters: the number of inputs, no, the learning rate, the default learning rate to 0.000001. Then create random weights between -1 and 1 for each input. For example, like that. Here you can see it. When I copy it and when I go here and when I go here and when I paste it from where, let me tell you. When you go here, so you can open your Replit. When you open your Replit like that, so let me tell you what you can do. You can open the Python file, and when you open the Python file, so it is working like on it like that. Here you can see it. Now it is working. My net is very slow working, that's why it is taking loading. So, but let me come here and let's learn about that now. The random weights. The perceptron will start with a random weight for each input. The learning rate. For each mistake while training the perceptron, the weights will be adjusted with a small fraction. This small fraction is the perceptron learning rate. In the perceptron object, we call it learnneck. The BIAS. Sometimes if the both inputs are 0, the perceptron might produce an incorrect output. To avoid this, we will give the perceptron an extra input with the value of 1. This is called a bias. Add an active function. Remember the perceptron algorithm. Multiply the each input with the perceptron weights. Sum the result. Compute the outcome. For example, like that. But now it has been came. So what I can do? We can go and like that. And let me copy it and let me say on my AI. Where is AI? Please tell me what is error in this code. It is give you sometimes it give you the indentation error. So now it has been giving me the solve. So now okay I understand. Let me go on my here home, and when I go to my home and let me open the JavaScript file. Okay, where is JavaScript? Okay, HTML, CSS and JavaScript. When I here we can go to Node.js. Okay, now when I create a REPL of the Node.js, so it is working on it. So now when it is working on it, it is running. Here you can see it. When it has been worked, so paste this code and run it. So now when you run this code, so it gives the output like this type of decimal numbers. Here you can see it. Now there is one more example I have been showing to you. When I copy it and when I paste this example and when I run it, so now when I run it, so let me see. Please tell me what is error in this code and give me output also. So now It will start to saying the error of this code, and then it give me the start to give me the output. And when I run it, and now when I run it, so it give me 1. Here you can see like that very easily. Yes. So now let's come here. The activation function will output I if the sum is greater than a 0, a the 0. If the sum is less than 0, create a training function. The training function guesses the output come based on the activate function. Every time the guess is wrong, the perceptron will adjust the weights. After many guesses and adjustment, the weights will be correct. For example, like that. Here you can see it. Let me show this example to you. And when I go here, copy it, and when I paste it, and when I go and say what is error in this code, so then it starts to saying the error of this code, and when it will be see, so it give me the here you can see it has been giving me. So now when I run it, so it nothing give me the output because I do not write any such things like it give me the output. Okay, backpropagation. After each guess, the perceptron calculate how the wrong guess was. If the guess is wrong, the perceptron adjusts the blast and the weight so that the guess will be little bit more correct the next time. This type of learning is called backpropagation. After trying a few thousand times, your perceptron will become quite good at guessing. Create your own library. You can create your own library like this type of code. Now, when I copy this type of code and when I paste it, and when I say please tell me what is error in this code, so now then started to solving the error, and now it has been given me the code. Then what can I do? I insert this code, and in the down here is now there's example usage. So now when I run it, so now when I run it, so here you can see it like that you can do, and it is not giving me the output. Then I enter press, and when I enter press, so then it have been give me the, here you can see it. Now and I paste it. Now this type of code has been come, and here you can see it give me the output like node at v20.16 like that. Here you can see it. Now you can include the library in HTML like say like that. Here you can see it like that. Here you can see it. Use your library, for example like that. Let me show you what you can do. What you can do, you can go on home, create a REPL. Okay, let me go down and let me log out it. And when I log out it, so I will be sign up for free. I will be continue with Google, and when I will be continue with Google, what can I do? I will be click on this type of account, and when I click on this type of account, so it has been start to build the software better. So now here you can see this type of account has been made, and I click on the see on REPLs. Okay, so what can I do? I go onto the Google, and here I will be write like code sandbox. Okay, this one very beautiful, this is just like a replit. Okay, when I open my HTML file, or you can make a HTML file also. So now when I can say it, so I make one JavaScript file by the name of index.js, and when I make that file, so what can I do? In the script, I will be in the script, here you can write this type of code and paste it. And when you paste it, so what you can do, let me tell you. You can now include the library, this type of library to into your or here. So when you copy it like that, erase it, and now what you can do, when you save it and when you run it like here, and now it is running. So why it is not running? When I save it, save. Okay, this type of code you have been written. Okay, so then the output will be come. Okay, when I go on my Visual Studio Code, or when I make one file here, yes, and then I will be paste this file here, and when I save it and when I open my document, and now it's not giving me any output because I do not make any file by the name of my perceptron.js. When I make that type of file like my perceptron.js file, then where it will give you the output. Okay, so now let's come on here. So here you can see you can do it very easily, yes. And this our video about training a perceptron of machine learning. So here you can see it. In today's video, I told you about the training a perceptron in machine learning. So here you can see it. So I hope you can enjoy this class. If you enjoy, so please like this video, share, friend, and subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to all the notification bell also. And I appreciate your support, and if you genuinely appreciate my work, so please let your friends know about this course too. And if you haven't checked my whole playlist yet, so move on to the codepk.com on my YouTube channel, so you can easily access and bookmark it also. And what you can do, you can make the my perceptron on .js file, then it gives you the output. Okay, so now for today, goodbye.